I am Brian. I'm from BLP, and we are here with.
I'm Aldrich Alvarez. I'm Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, Pasay City.
All right. And anong pakiramdam mo ngayon na natapos na yung press presentation?
Actually, at first it was very exhausting, but at the end of the day, I'm very happy because it was our moment, and it's the moment of our lives, and we are all very happy.
Okay. And ano bang mga preparations na ginawa mo para sa event ngayon?
Actually, the one thing that I've been preparing is my mentality towards the competition. Because as you know, sometimes you will get doubts in yourself because some of the competitors is very intimidating. But of course, you have to be relaxed and be calm and just stay true to yourself. And that for me is my preparation. Just the mentality.
All right. Now, aside from mentality, syempre, I know you're preparing your body.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So, gaano kadalas ka nang nag-gym at gaano katagal ang isang gym session?
Dati, pag
Yes.
nag-gym ako, hindi talaga ako siya nag-gym. I'm a very lazy person because nag-aaral pa ako.
Okay,
So,
estudyante
medyo marami tayong ginagawa. But now, entering this competition, I feel like I am much more disciplined now because of syempre, I'm very eager to win then this competition. Like, alam mo, at first, I thought parang, laro-laro lang, sige, chill lang tayo because I really don't know what's in the bag. But when I knew na how big it is, then I'm so eager that, yun, nag-gym na talaga ako ngayon. Dati talaga sobrang payat ko kasi talaga dati.
Alright, so, dahil nag-gym ka na, nag-increase na yung frequency ng gym mo, anong part ng katawan mo ang most proud ka?
Well, my most proud is yung shoulders ko.
Okay.
So my shoulders kind of big.
Alright, broad
Bakit?
na, okay.
Pero napag-iiwanan yung yung chest ko, kaya kailangan ko.
So, I think that answers my second question, kung ano sa tingin mo yung part ng katawan mo that needs improvement.
I think not the chest.
Not the chest.
The abs.
Okay.
Because
ilang packs na
mahilig
ba
tayong
ngayon?
kumain.
One whole pack pa lang ba?
Hindi naman.
Okay.
May 4 naman siya.
Wow, may 4 na. Okay.
Oo.
Alright. Okay, so, lastly, what is your message to your team and to your supporters?
Well, to my team and my supporters, I'm so thankful for all your support, your love, and truly, I've been very overwhelmed because I'm a newbie in this pageant, and seeing the overwhelming support helps me through this.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.